Today I'm going to try to install the cigarette lighter adapter in the rear of the van. The parts for it just came in recently, so let's get started. Okay, for those of you like me that were searching for a 12-volt outlet and it didn't come with your van, sometimes it's located here or maybe here. The plug is located back in here behind this black wire. You'll see a little plug mounted. What you want to do is simply disconnect that, and then there should be enough slack on the line to bring it this way. That's what you're going to be looking for. And to be sure, I recommend getting a multimeter and just confirming that you have 12 volts. So let's take a look at the parts that arrived. The one part is the wiring. That's part number BK3Z-14A411-E. Again, that's the wiring. And the other part is the socket, and that's part number CV6Z-19N236-A. And that is just the socket. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to do is take your wiring and take the gray end and plug it in here. Snap that right in. Take your socket and plug that in. Okay, before we get to the moment of truth, it does come with this black cap that goes on like that. You can simply slip on that base before you plug it in, and it gives it a nice little finished look. So now let's make sure we're all working, and sure enough, this little 12-volt fan that I have plugged in is working. So normally these vans come with a hole already cut in this back pillar that accommodates these 12-volt sockets. But as you can see, I have built over that hole, so I am going to have to find a different final resting spot for this. Okay, so what I decided to do is to simply mount the socket right here. This is just a piece of cardboard I have cut out as a temporary cover, and there we go. I imagine one day I'll replace this cardboard with a piece of wood. Of course, there are many applications for this auxiliary power. We're going to use it to charge our Ecoflow Delta while driving. I hope you found this video helpful. Check out our other videos for more van build and van life content. Thanks for watching, and please remember to click that subscribe button if you haven't already.